Today I'm in the Dinas Valley to catch up on yet another major investment project for Nant Port Talbot. This is a valley I was born and grown up in, and I can honestly say it's a place I am happy to spend the rest of my life in. Enough about me and the valley. I'm here to talk about the new £400 million Global Centre of Rail Excellence, which promises to make the area Europe's premier site for research, innovation and testing of new rail technologies. Work has already started on the world-class rail facility, which will consist of rail testing loops, storage and maintenance facilities, a new business park and a training centre. This exciting project is being supported by us, Nant Port Talbot County Borough Council, and both the Welsh and UK governments. It will create new jobs and new supply chain opportunities, in turn helping to attract wider investment to our local communities.
Hi, I'm Simon Jones. I'm the Chief Exec of Global Centre for Rail Excellence. I'm really pleased that Steve Hunt, the leader of Nant Port Talbot, has been able to come here to site today to just see the fantastic work that's going on here. We've got activity on site already. We're looking forward to this facility being opened in phases over the next few years. We think it's going to be a huge addition to the local community and to skills and opportunities for people in the area. Our friends in Nant Port Talbot have been hugely supportive of this all the way through, and we're looking forward to continuing to work with them.